We are already in the day and age where limitless information is readily accessible right in the palm of our hands. All it takes for us to find the answer to a question is a few simple clicks away. And all of this is because we have Google. We use it every day. Whether it's to finish a research project or simply because we want to know why the sky is blue, Google is here to help us, and I think all of us know how to use it. So, what if you can make big money simply by knowing how to use Google and searching for answers? Sounds too good to be true, right? But this strategy is 100% real, easy, and accessible. There's a website that will pay you by simply Googling the answer to some questions. You can even do this anywhere, whether you're on your computer or you're on a coffee shop with your laptop, or even with just your phone. As long as you have access to the internet, you can make easy money by just searching. All it takes is a few simple steps. So follow along with this strategy so that you'd be able to be ready to start right ahead after this video. But before we begin, like and subscribe to see more tips like this on our channel. I know a lot of people out there are struggling to get some money or simply want to make some money at the side. So I'm here to help you out. All you need is two things: Google and a website called mindsumo.com. And no, it's not a pyramid scheme. It's not nudge selling, and it's not going to make you pay first just so you can make some money. Whether you're a student or an entrepreneur, it's easy to earn cash on this website. All you have to do is answer questions or solve challenges posted on their website, and you can see how much money can be made through this method. Some challenges are worth $800, $1,000, $1,600, and maybe even more. As you can see, this website has worked with many different kinds of well-known brands with a wide range of variety. Companies such as Disney, Amazon, Facebook, Coca-Cola, and even Starbucks. So you can trust the legitimacy of this site. So, how do we do it? First, we go to mindsumo.com and click over to the top right corner where it says Login, Sign Up. It will open a prompt box asking you to sign up, but since we don't have an account yet, we're going to hover over to this option right here that says Don't have an account yet? And we'll be able to sign up for their website for free. You'll be going through the same basic questions whenever you register for an account. You write your first name, last name, your location or country. You input your email address and create your password, as well as your date of birth and gender. Next will be the questions relevant to the website that will help you make money on this platform. You'll be rating yourself in 3 categories: creativity skills, marketing skills, and technical skills. It's important to know what things you're good at doing, but it's recommended to put average proficiency or above average proficiency, because this is going to open up more opportunities for you to make money on this website. Now there's going to be questions like, why are you interested in using MindSumo? And what type of projects are you most interested in solving? You can answer this question however you want, but it's good to be as concise as possible and say something like, because I want to help brands come up with the best possible solution to a problem. Or, I am interested in answering questions about topical queries for today's society. For the second question, It's good to be an all-rounder and be interested in many things. That way, you can be deemed able to solve a lot of different kinds of challenges and make you able to earn much more money. You don't have to check any of these boxes down here except for the last 3 ones. But if you want to get updated and track the signs of progress in the website as well as the challenges, you can check the first 3 as well. Last is the user verification, where you have to click "I'm not a robot" and solve the CAPTCHA that comes up, and then you're all set. After creating the account, you can finally look through the different questions and challenges that are currently posted and waiting to be answered on their page. You can see that there is no shortage of problems and making money is always readily available because there will always be new posts and challenges to go through after a while. As an example of how simple it is to earn money here, I will show you how to answer some of the questions here. All you have to do is copy the question, go to Google and paste the question. You can look through the results and take which pieces of information are the best fit to answer the question. You can go make a new file at Google Docs. Just go to docs.google.com and paste your findings. Make sure to right-click and select Paste Without Formatting, just so you'd be able to customize your document easier. You can go ahead and change the fonts and format of your document to make it look cleaner and more professional. You can even make your answer look more profound by adding a lot more information from your source on Google. Always remember that having more sources is better than having just one. So go ahead and add different responses to your document and make sure they transition seamlessly with each other. After that, you can go and save your document file and upload it to MindSumo and wait for the company to review the answers. Even when many people submit their answers to the question, more than one person can get the money. Sometimes more than 10 people would be able to share the money rewarded to the best answer, so you're bound to always get something. Depending on the posted earnings and the numbers of participants answering the question, you might get from anywhere from $20 to even $100, or maybe earn more. So, as you can see, as long as you know how to use Google, you have the potential to earn a lot of money online and be able to achieve it with just a few minutes of your time. It's free, easy, and accessible. The more time you spend on it, the more you'd be able to earn. So why not start doing it in your spare time and start making some cash? That's all for today. I hope you learned something from this video and that I'm able to help you find a new way to make some little income. As always, if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Maybe share this with your friends and be able to help out others too.